exploring the rich history and vibrant culture of Marché Bonsecours in Montreal. Montreal, a city known for its rich history and vibrant culture, boasts a plethora of iconic landmarks and attractions. Marché Bonsecours is a testament to the city's heritage and enduring charm. This historic market in the heart of Old Montreal has been a beloved gathering place for locals and tourists alike for over a century. A glimpse into the past. Marché Bonsecours, often called Bonsecours Market, holds a special place in Montreal's history. This architectural gem was inaugurated in 1847, making it one of the oldest public markets in North America. Its neoclassical design, imposing dome and grand façade, was the work of renowned architect William Footner. This building has witnessed Montreal's transformation from a colonial outpost to a bustling metropolis. Originally built as a marketplace for local merchants to sell their wares, Marché Bonsecours quickly became a hub for trade and social gatherings. Over the years, it has served various purposes, including a concert hall, city hall, and even a public market. Today, it is a multifaceted cultural space celebrating Montreal's heritage. A hub of art and craftsmanship. One of the standout features of Marché Bonsecours is its role as a showcase for the arts and crafts of Quebec. The market's ground floor is home to an array of boutiques and artisanal shops. Visitors can browse a diverse selection of locally made products, from handmade jewelry to exquisite textiles and artwork. It's the perfect place to find unique souvenirs and gifts that reflect the city's artistic spirit. Cultural exhibitions and events. Beyond its retail offerings, Marché Bonsecours hosts numerous cultural exhibitions and events annually. The market's spacious upper floor is often the setting for art exhibitions, fashion shows, and cultural festivals. These events provide a platform for local artists and creators and offer visitors a chance to immerse themselves in Montreal's vibrant art scene. Cuisine and culinary delights. No exploration of Marché Bonsecours is complete without indulging in some of Montreal's culinary delights. The market has several restaurants and cafes, each offering a unique dining experience. Whether you're craving classic Quebecois dishes, international cuisine, or a quick coffee and pastry, you'll find something to satisfy your palate here. A gateway to Old Montreal. Marché Bonsecours is more than just a building, it's a gateway to the historic Old Montreal district. Surrounded by cobblestone streets, centuries-old architecture, and a sense of timeless elegance, the market invites visitors to explore the enchanting neighborhood that surrounds it. Strolling through Old Montreal's narrow streets, you'll discover art galleries, boutiques, and charming cafes, all within walking distance of the market. Marché Bonsecours is more than just a market, it's a living testament to Montreal's rich history and dynamic cultural scene. From its storied past as a marketplace to its modern role as a hub for arts, crafts, and cuisine, this iconic building remains a beloved landmark in the city's heart. For anyone looking to immerse themselves in the cultural tapestry of Montreal, a visit to Marché Bonsecours is a must. It's a place where the past and present create a truly memorable experience.